Alright, let's take a look at this camping trip problem here. So the first thing I want you to see is that P is going to be the number of bags of peanuts. Number of bags of peanuts. Okay, so the first night it said that raccoons came along and they ate 5 bags. So then remaining, we're going to keep track of how many are remaining. There's remaining then P minus 5. Then it says that night, the next day the family ate 1/3 of the remaining. So if they ate 1/3, that means there's 2/3 of that remaining here. So if we distribute this through, that becomes 2P over 3 minus 5 times 2 would be 10 over 3 here, which is the same thing as 2P minus 10 all over 3. Alright. So then we're going to continue on here, and after they ate the 1/3, that night a beaver came, ate 2 more bags, so we're going to minus those 2 more bags here. So 2 in this case would be the same thing as saying 6 over 3, so we're going to get then that 2P minus 16 over 3 remain now. And after that beaver came and ate 2 more bags, the next day the family consumed 1/4. Well, if the family consumed 1/4, that means that there's remaining 3/4. So if we go ahead and distribute that through, we're going to get 6P minus 48 here, all over 12. So that's how many we have remaining. And then continuing on, then they took a boat trip and had to feed 1 bag to each of their 5 dogs. So that means they're losing again 5 more bags here because each dog got its own bag. And 5 is the same thing as 60 over 12 in this case. So that means it's going to become 6P minus 108 over 12. Alright. That night an elephant from a nearby zoo came and ate 4 bags of peanuts. So we're going to lose another 4 here. And 4 is the same thing as 48 over 12 in this case. So we're going to get that this is 6P minus, and then they have the negative 108 minus the 48 in this case to be negative 156 all over 12. And then it says the next day each member of the family ate 1/9 of the remaining. So if they each ate 1/9, and there's 5 members, they ate then 5/9, which means remaining over here is 4/9 of the total. Alright, so we have to distribute that through, and we'll get 24P. Negative 156 times 4 is going to give us here negative 624, and then 9 times 12 at the bottom will give us 108. So this is how many are remaining here. It says that night a spotted owl ate half the bags, so he eats half, which means half remain. So if we go ahead and do this, we'll get 24P minus 624 over 216 in this case. And then it says, yada yada. The next day there was only 4 left. So that means there was 4 remaining here. So now we can go ahead and solve this. You can think of that as being 4 over 1. I'm going to go ahead and cross multiply this. So 216 times 4 gives us that 864. Then we get 24P minus 624. So I add over that 624, add the 624 here, and we're going to get 8, 8, 14 equals 24P. Divide by that 24 there, divide by 24. So we have 1488 divided by 24, and that will mean that P in this case was 62, meaning there was 62 bags of peanuts to start. Alright, hopefully that helps.